Well, happy day. We're at the end of our Saturday, and the bed frame is pretty much up at this point. I'm going to go over some key things with you all and kind of show you a little bit about what we did today. So, the double cabinets are up. They are the big bed frame for the base of the bed on this side, as I said earlier. So we have the 2x4s. They're cut at a 72-inch length. What you see on here is a metal track. These 2x4s, and there's actually one on each side, they are going to be the slide outs that are going to allow the bed to slide out about 1.5 feet to be able to sleep under the stars. Inside this track, which will mount to this 2x4, are going to be these wheels. The wheels will then slide in the track, which each wheel will be attached to a portion of the maple that we have for the part that's going across the bed frame. There's going to be 3 sections. Each section will have 4 wheels. That allows the bed to fold. Okay, so I'll kind of show you over here a little bit how it works. I'm so sweaty today. So this is the bed rail. So there's a 2x4 on each side, and we don't have it perfect yet, but as you can see, this will slide out and then slide back. So, as I said, we don't have it completely finished, but that is the gist of how it'll work. Because I want to be able to sleep out under the stars. We were able to drill into the metal with the new drill bits, which is fantastic. We also bolted the 2 cabinets together, so nothing is moving in this van. It is extremely secure. So, tomorrow we will secure the sliding racks. We'll put the wood that the mattress is going to sleep on. Sorry, I'm like brain dead. I'm so tired and sweaty and hot. So we will be finishing up tomorrow, and I'm so excited because you can actually like see the whole thing come together, and you can watch your ideas that you have take place, and they form and they shape and they actually work, which is pretty awesome. So I'm going to have a sliding roll out bed that folds up into an accordion. Probably never seen it before. And if you do find it, let me know and send it to me so I can get some ideas. Anyway, we got a lot accomplished today, and I'm really looking forward to finishing up our bed tomorrow. Bye-bye.